Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a marble ink swatch video. We just received our new marble inks. We have 8 colors available. A lot of people say that they don't know how to use the marble ink, so I just wanted to do a little video swatching and just showing you guys the steps to do them correctly. So first you're going to want to paint the nail white and cure that for 60 seconds. After that, you're going to be applying matte top coat and curing that for 60 seconds. I'm going to start off with the pink one. So this is what it looks like. It's very runny. So this is not a gel polish. You're going to be needing acetone, pure acetone, just any little brush that you have available, and a little dampen dish. So for the marble ink, all you're going to do is just dab on the color onto the nail. The reason why you want to put matte is because the matte really helps the ink blend really nicely. You can also do it without the matte top coat, but it does give it a different effect. So you don't have to put the ink everywhere because it does spread. I'm just dipping my brush in a little bit of acetone and then I'm just lightly dabbing around the entire nail. The more you want it to blend, the more acetone you can add. And really, the ink and the acetone together do the work for you. You really just have to dab it with a little bit of acetone just to give it that form and that shape. So here I just want to add a little bit more at the end just to give it a little bit more definition. And then just lightly dab it. And again, if you want it to blend more, especially quicker, then just go ahead and add just more acetone at a time. And that's it. That's all you have to do the marble inks. After that, you can go ahead and apply glossy top coat, or you can apply matte top coat. So we have 8 different colors available: pink, yellow, red, green. We also have a dark blue, black, purple, and a white. So for the rest of the video, I already went ahead and I prepped the swatch sticks by painting them white, curing it, applying matte top coat, and then curing that. So for the rest of the video, I'm just going to let you guys watch how I blend the rest of the colors. We have the entire collection available for $45.99, or you can also buy them individually for $7.99. The link for the product will be listed in our description. If you guys have any comments at all, you can leave me a comment down below, or you can also call us at our store number, which is 909-371-0183. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week.